Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I'm Ikhwa Syahdatul Aisyah as the moderator who will guide today's presentation. The members of our group are
My name is Sharifah Hidayat Zahra.
My name is Nur Aini.
On this occasion, our group will present of a topic entitled Technique for Testing the Validity of Data in Qualitative Research. Without further ado, I would like to invite the presenter to begin the presentation.
Basic concept of data validity. Trustworthiness in qualitative research is a concept used to replace the term validity in quantitative research. This concept was developed by Lincoln and Guba in 1985 through four main criteria: credibility, transferability, dependability, and confirmability. Technique for checking data validity in qualitative research include credibility testing, extended observation, increased persistence, triangulation, negative case analysis using reference materials, or conducting member checking. Transferability, dependability, and confirmability. The importance of data validity in qualitative research. 1. Data validity as an integral element of qualitative research, ensuring that the data used in the research is truly reliable and serves as the main foundation for the research findings. 2. Addressing doubts about the scientific integrity of qualitative research, proving that qualitative research still maintains a high level of scientific validity. 3. Data validity to ensure the credibility and relevance of the research results, ensuring that research results are consistent with reality and relevant to the phenomenon being studied. 4. Data validity to prevent bias and misinterpretation, reduce research bias, and prevent errors in understanding the data. Data validity testing technique in qualitative research. A. Triangulation, search methods and theories. B. Member check, confirmation with informants. Audit trail, documentation trail. D. Knowledge and judgment in the involvement. A. Triangulation. Triangulation is a process used in research to increase the credibility and validity of findings by collection and analyzing data from multiple perspectives. The term originates from navigation and geometry. So, triangulation is used to determine a point by measuring angles from the three different locations. In a research content, triangulation means using multiple source, theories, or methods to obtain a more comprehensive and accurate picture of the phenomenon being studied. The importance of triangulation in qualitative research. 1. Minimizing bias. Triangulation helps reduce subjectivity between research and participants by comparing data from multiple perspectives, resulting in more objective and credible research results. 2. Provides a more comprehensive understanding by combining multiple source, methods, or theory. Triangulation allows research to understand phenomenon more deeply and not just from a single perspective. 3. Testing data reliability. Triangulation is used to compare data to determine the consistency of findings, ensuring that research results are not limited to a specific situation. 4. Encourages more critical analysis. The presence of multiple perspectives allows research to be more reflective in interpreting data, thereby avoiding misinterpretation and producing safer analysis. And 5. Increase trust in research results. Triangulation strengthens research credibility because data doesn't come from just one source or method, making the results more academically acceptable.
Types of triangulation in qualitative research. Norman Cadenton's definition triangulation as combination of various methods used to study intricate phenomena from different points of view and perspectives. According to him, triangulation includes four things. 1. Method triangulation. 2. Inter-research triangulation if the research is conducted with a group. 3. Data source triangulation. And 4. Theory triangulation. The following is an explanation. One, short simulation. Short simulation is achieved by using the same techniques to collect data from multiple informants. For example, if researchers want to gather information about school disciplines, they might interview the principal for student affairs, subject teachers, and other teachers. Two, triangulation method technique. Triangulation techniques are used to test the credibility of data by verifying data from the same source using different techniques. Researchers use different data collection techniques to obtain data from the same source, such as cross-reference observation, interviews, and documentation, which are then combined to form a single conclusion. 3. Theory triangulation, the final result of qualitative research is a formulated information or thesis statement. This information is then compared with relevant theoretical perspective to avoid individual research based in the finding of or conclusion. Member check confirm with the informant. Case strategies such as the use of triangulation, member checking, and audit trials have proven effective in increasing data validity and reducing bias. Validity in qualitative research is often strengthened through techniques such as triangulation, member checking, depth description, and audit trials. This technique will help researchers engage in the data and the result interpretation. Member checking is a data checking process where researchers provide transcripts of in-depth interviews or participants to avoid the perception as again if there is any information they would like to add or change, and agree on the transcript. Once mutually agreed upon, sends the request participant signature to enhance the authenticity of the data obtained. Member checks implementation tab. 1. This important to build pursuit participant research. Informants giving participants the opportunity to clarify their site helps them to you as a evaluator. 2. When the topic or content is sensitive, membership checks can support participant confidentiality, allowing them to review how you use the information. 3. When you are unfamiliar with the context, member checking can aid in interpretation and analysis as well as provide additional context. 4. Not for agent validity, member checking can increase accuracy and validity. Consider using the when-author validation techniques such as triangulation are not flexible. Audit trail documentation trail. An audit trail is a series of documented notes and evidence that reveal the steps or research has taken during the research process. In qualitative student, an audit trail encompasses all activities from planning and data collection to analysis and the preparation of the final report. This document includes file notes, interview transcript, audio or video records, analytical memes, and any document recipients that occurred during the research.
Benefits of audit trail in qualitative research. Implementing an audit trail in qualitative research provides various benefits including 1. Increasing research credibility. Through an audit trail, research provides tangible evidence that the entire research process was conducted with thoroughness and integrity. Ensuring data validity in qualitative research is often challenging due to its subject nature, facilitating replication and re-evaluation. Although qualitative research does not emphasize statistical replication like quantitative research, an audit trail provides an opportunity for other research to understand the steps taken and re-examine the research findings. Serving as a means of researcher reflection and self-development, the process of creating an audit trail allows researchers to conduct in-depth reflection on the methodology applied. While launch engagement, qualitative research plays a crucial a crucial role in understanding complex and meaningful social phenomena in depth. Triangulation is employed to minimize bias and increase the data validity and credibility. By collecting and analyzing data from multiple perspectives, methods, and timescales, research can gain a more comprehensive and scientifically sound understanding. Prolonged engagement is one technique for building data credibility, where research spends sufficient time in the field to deeply understand the context, culture, and phenomena being studied, ensuring that the data collected is truly accurate and not superficial. Challenges in ensuring data validity in qualitative research. 1. Limited time and resources. Limitation in time, manpower, and budget can make the data collection process less optimal. In practice, researchers often conduct interviews or observation in areas, resulting in less in-depth data that may not fully reflect real conditions, thereby reducing the credibility of the findings. 2. Researcher subjectivity. The researcher, as the main instrument, might introduce bias into the study. In qualitative research, the researcher plays a major role in interpreting data. If subjectivity is not well controlled, the interpretation may be inaccurate and not aligned with reality, making the result less trustworthy. 3. Inadequate data collection technique. Using inappropriate or limited technique can lead to incomplete data. For example, relying only on interviews without supporting methods such as observation of documentation may result in less comprehensive data. This highlights the importance of using multiple methods such as triangulation to strengthen data validity. 4. Limitation in the validation process. Data validation processes are often not carried out optimally. Techniques such as triangulation, member checking, and peer debriefing should be applied to ensure the validity. However, if these techniques are ignored or used inconsistently, the credibility of the data becomes questionable. 5. Difficulty in transferability. Qualitative research findings are often difficult to apply to other contexts. Since qualitative research is highly context-dependent, results cannot always be general. Without clear and in-depth description, it becomes difficult for others to understand or apply the findings in different situations. Strategies for maintaining the validity of qualitative data. 1. Extending the observation period. By providing more time for observation, research can obtain more accurate and in-depth data. 2. Triangulation data. Using multiple sources and information and data collection methods to verify the accuracy of findings. 3. Peer debriefing. Inviting colleagues to discuss and evaluate the research process and result to gain additional perspective. 4. Implementing validity procedures, ensuring that all research steps are carried out in accordance with methodological principles to maintain data integrity. That concludes our group presentation. In summary, data validity is crucial in qualitative research as it determines the credibility and quality of the results. It can be ensured through techniques such as triangulation, member checking in order to minimize bias. Despite some challenge, consistent and proper application of this technique make the findings more trustworthy and scientifically accountable. Thank you for attention. We would now like to open the session for question of discussion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.